Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Trust Wallet to PayPal. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your wallet. Once you are on the main screen, you will see your crypto balance. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Tap on it. Now tap on the Send button. The app will ask for the recipient wallet address. At this point, you need to decide which method applies to you. If you are in a supported region like the United States, PayPal allows you to receive certain cryptocurrencies directly using a wallet address. Open your PayPal app and go to the crypto section. Choose the crypto you want to receive and select the option to receive funds. PayPal will generate a wallet address for you. Copy that address. Go back to Trust Wallet and paste the copied address into the recipient field. Double check that the address is correct. Enter the amount you want to send. Confirm the transaction and approve it. Wait for the network confirmation. Once completed, your crypto will appear in your PayPal account. If you are not in the United States, you will need to use a workaround. First, send your crypto from Trust Wallet to a crypto exchange such as Binance or Coinbase. Use your exchange wallet address as the recipient. After the crypto arrives in your exchange account, sell it for your local currency. Once the sale is complete, withdraw the money to your bank account that is linked to the exchange, for example using SEPA transfer. Finally, send the money from your bank account to your PayPal account. Thanks for watching.